All right, let's go over NQ. I got the new settings over here, so we'll go over them. But before we continue, please read this disclosure disclaimer. Alright, trading any financial markets very dangerous practice. Before you do it, you may lose all of some of your money, so be very careful. I'm not a financial institution. I don't recommend any time to have a license for that. I'm not an education institution. This is not for education. Just my game. That's all. Anything I say over here, it's just my opinion. You guys create your own opinion. Okay, if stop, pause, read. Otherwise, there's a description under video too, so you can go on. Okay, so I got settings over here, which is EMA 8 with a -1, all channel, which is 55, vertical shift 0, EMA upper, bottom one 55, -1.2 EMA. And then we got a new channel, this orange, dark orange color, which is comma. So you go every average type and choose comma, vertical shift, and I'm here being 0.001, but it can be 0 because I got from another chart I was working on, and worse over here good, and period 9. Okay, that's upper one, and then bottom one. It's also comma, vertical shift -3, and it's 9. All right, this is what price respects for now. So if we have this magenta color channel, our first channel above orange, that's long. They can even pull under the magenta color channel, coming to orange, like you see here. There's a support. So whenever they break down both of them, it's a short, which could be still just a fake move. We would need the magenta color to be under orange for shorts. Okay, so let's just take a look over here. There's that support. They went all the way down in this orange and support. This way the chart is cleaner. You can see bouncing from magenta. This all happened today, May 22nd, 2020. And you see magenta above orange. So that was all long. And then here also orange was as a support, though they went down under magenta color. Upper one was resistance until they broke and went up there. Same here. You can also see in extremes we have both blue color bands. I mean the upper one and bottom one above both of channels. We could expect some pullbacks unless there's something extreme. As well, we're gonna see there's blue went almost above, they went a little bit, and there was a pullback here's and that pullback, so we can expect some kind of pullback. Alright, you see it from here, magenta was above orange. Even here, still everything was long. There was a lot of resistance here. Alright, so magenta came from under. That pushed everything up, went long. And you see in this case, magenta was under, it was short. Orange was acting as resistance. Right. Here's again, almost went under both of them. There was a little pullback here too. Some kind of pullback is gonna be, doesn't mean they can continue also. Here's two, a little bit, and then down. And very much from this, somewhere here, this was all short when the magenta went under orange. Though it was already acting here when they start getting together. So once they break like this, that's it. And here is coming from under, trying to bring it up, but couldn't bring both of magenta color, and they continue down. So if it's going to be long, they need to bring both of magenta band lines above orange. So as you can see here, they were down. So it's very easier, much easier to see, and a much simpler chart. So here too, there's a top. Also here, though we would think just based on the magenta color channel that it would be long over here, actually was short. Alright, and you can see both of these bands were under both channels. It was very trend down, strong trend, and then they turn around. So and so on. So try to, if you like these settings, try play with them. Everything else is same. Blue, it's 140 outside size, inside size 0.25. It's a price action channel, midline, and then bottom one, 140 minus 21, and then upper yellow, 39, vertical shift 69, WMA, and this is 2-minute chart. And then we have bottom one, 39 minus 69, vertical shift, WMA. Alright, so just to bring this new settings, get a little bit cleaner chart. And have fun, see if you like that setting, go with that. Otherwise, have a great weekend.